Hello students, welcome back to online class once again. Today we will do some revision work, okay? Did you practice nicely? Okay, let's begin. Who can tell me what is this? Yes, this is capital P. Very good. Do you remember the sound of P? Yes, the sound of P is P. Very good. Now, who can tell me the name of this beautiful bird? Yes, this is peacock. P. Peacock. Okay, now what is this? Who can tell me? What is the name of this small green vegetable? Yes, this is pea. This is pea. Peas. Okay, now what is the name of this bird? I know all of you know this. Very good. This is pigeon. Very good. This is pigeon. Pigeon. Okay, now what is this? This is a puppet. Very good. Puppet. Puppet. This is very easy, right? What is this? We all write with the help of this thing, right? So what is this? Very good. This is pencil. Pencil. Very good, students. Now, what is this? Who can tell me what is this? These are palms of animals, right? These are paws. These are paws. Paws. Okay. Today we have revised the sound of P. Okay? And I hope all of you will keep practicing at home. See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.